Okay, so here we can see where we added all of our keywords in with our bulk upload, and we can see the tags, and AuthorityLabs actually lets us know that these are new and that they're working on grabbing those rankings. And from here, in our side navigation, we can skip to other domains that we'd like to look at by simply hovering over the domains section right here. And I can go to any of these other example domains. So I'm going to go over to Amazon. Okay, so I have these options while I'm in the Amazon domain where I can add keywords. I have more options. I can add a new domain, or I can export this domain's report. So we've already been over the add keywords. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. When you go to the add keywords, you have the manual input that we went over and the bulk input, which we also went over. So we're going to hop over to options. Options, we can configure Google Analytics so that we can look at the now provided report, which you can check out more information on that on our website. Or we can change the display of the search engines we're looking at. We can also hide the volume column or hide the type column, all with these check boxes. You can also check out your public URL and share that by just copying this over here. Next, we can go to new domain and we can add in a new domain. Simple enough. I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to hop back over into Amazon. And I'm going to go to the Export tab. And it automatically pulls up the export options for Amazon.com. So it says up here, Amazon.com. We can actually change this to a different domain if we wanted to, but I'm going to keep it like this for now. We can have all these different options with exporting that we're going to go over later. We can schedule this for a recurring report. We can have it as a one-time export. We can set it for 1, 3, or 6 months, or just a custom range. We can also select individual search engines that we'd like to look at, or we could look at all of them. And then we can just hit begin export and download that. I can also go over to the support tab, which just opens up a dialog box on the right hand side of the screen. I can look at my previous messages with AuthorityLabs support, or I can start a new message and say whatever I'm having a problem with directly inside the tool. And I can send this to our awesome support people and ask them for help directly from here. I could also add in a image or document showing that this is what I'm having trouble with. So maybe a screenshot of my domain isn't showing up and I don't know why, or my export isn't going properly, can you help me out? So that's all available in this message area just by clicking on this support tab. Next I'm going to go to profile. And here I can edit my profile. I can see my email. I can apply for the referral program, which you can learn more about on our website. You can also see my accounts and which team I am part of. It also shows you the connected services. So if you connect for our now provided report, you would see that over here with the Google Analytics token. Okay, so I'm going to hop back over to my account. And from here, the last thing we haven't gone over is the logout option, which is pretty self-explanatory. You just log out by clicking on it, so I'm not going to do that. But we can also check out a few more links over here with our privacy terms, our affiliates, our API documents, or our blog. Definitely check out our blog for more training, webinars, and information about AuthorityLabs tools and just the internet marketing industry in general.